Benefits of goat farming in Pakistan. Let's discuss. Raising goats is very easy and simple. Even children or women can easily raise and take good care of them. Goat farming requires less labor and management, and goats are cheaper to buy and sell than cattle. Goat farming is unique and incredible business model in Pakistan. Goat products has high demand in local and international market. Goat farming costs less than any other business. Goat can survive by consuming less amount of food, which ultimately reduce costs on food. Even goats can consume low quality food. You can easily mange goats with other livestock animals. It is best side business. Crop production and goat farming are beneficial for business. You can produce and sell following products like meat, milk, skin, fibers. Goat has gestation period known as duration of pregnancy of just 5 months. While other animals like cattle, buffalo and camels have long gestation periods. The reproduction process of goat starts earlier than other animals. You do not need any specific building for farm. You can raise goats in simple shed or building. You can easily raise 10 goats in the space and cost required for one cattle. An amazing fact, goats give birth to 2 or more newborn offsprings in a year. The demand of goats increases in Eid-ul-Adha in Pakistan and all over the world. So the marketing becomes very easy. Thank you for watching our video. For any question, comment below. Best of luck.